Hello guys, this is Mohammed Rafiq with you. In this video, we are going to talk about the latest Windows 11 25H2 update KB5077241 released in 24 February 2026. Also, in this video, I am going to show you what is new, what has changed, and what is fixed in this latest build and if it's safe to install or not. So without further delay, let's get it started. First, let's check and install the update. For that, click on Start menu, click on Settings. Here, click on Windows Update. Here, the update named 2026/02 Preview Update KB5077241 26200.7922 available for installation. So here, click on Download and Install. Now the update is started downloading. You have wait for some times to get it downloaded. Okay, now the download is completed. Now the update is started the installation. Okay, now the installation is completed. Now click on Restart to restart the computer. Okay, now system is restarted. Now let's check the update is installed or not. Go Update page again, and here you can see that Windows is up to date. And if you click Update History, there you can see that the update 2026/02 Preview Update KB5077241 26200.7922 is installed successfully. Now let's check what all new feature in this update. Great news! Microsoft hasn't released any new AI features related to this update. Related to new features, Microsoft is announcing two new things. First of all, they are saying that the updated battery icon feature that can be seen only on laptops, of course, should be rolling out to more devices. So, if you install this latest build on a laptop, you should have best chance of receiving these new battery icons that are quite useful. Also, the same thing happening for the new Start menu. More devices should start seeing the new Start menu. Related to other new feature in this update, of course, Microsoft is releasing the Emoji 16.0, which includes a few different new emojis. Also, if you have Windows 11 Pro, the Quick Machine Recovery feature automatically turn on. You can find it on Settings, then System, and then Recovery. And here it is, Quick Machine Recovery. As you can see, it is automatically turned on. We also now have a built-in network speed test button. If you click on the network icon, you are going to have this Perform Speed Test button, which allows you to perform a speed test. But this is basically just a quick link to the Bing search engine, which will automatically redirect to the Internet speed test. Inside the Settings app, Microsoft also adding new options for cameras. Inside Bluetooth and devices and then cameras, we are going to be able to see that if your camera supports it, you can now control pan and tilt for these type of cameras. Microsoft also adding the built-in Sysmon, which is basically allows you to capture system events for threat detection, and you can enable this going into the search box, typing in features, and click on Turn Windows Features On or Off. Then here, scroll down and find for Sysmon, and here, check on the checkbox to enable it. As easy as that. Related to the widgets board, Microsoft is adding this new settings section, which now is full screen and basically a different page inside the widgets board, which is actually looking pretty good. Related to search, on the taskbar, Microsoft is doing some improvements here as well. For example, you are now going to be able to see group headers, which now show the number of results available, and you can now also preview results by hovering over a result and selecting Preview. Related to storage settings, there have been a few improvements. For example, if you search for VHD and then go to this storage settings, you are going to notice certain improvements here. For example, some of the dialogues have been updated with a more modern design, and they have also improved the scanning performance for temporary files. So, if you go to temporary files, this should be scanning better and with a more improved process. There are also 2 app updates on this one, so if you want to get all the app updates, of course make sure to open up the Microsoft Store and go into the Downloads section, then check for updates. Basically, some new improvements for the Notepad and the Paint app, which include a new dialogue and formatting options and also fill tolerance slider. Related to fixes in this update, first of all, Microsoft is improving Windows Update. The responsiveness of the Windows Update settings page should be way better now. They also improved sign-in reliability related to login and lock screens. Related to File Explorer, they now improved the way you can open a new File Explorer window by holding the Shift key and selecting the File Explorer icon. They also added the Extract All option in the command bar when you browse non-zip archive folders, and also they improved the reliability of displaying devices on the network page in File Explorer. Related to display, improved the reliability for when your PC wakes up from sleep, and they also added some display-related performance improvements to help reduce the time for a PC to resume from sleep. And also, we have some general improvements. For example, improvements for visual consistency across windows, including for when the taskbar is set to auto-hide, credential fields in the Windows Security dialog, and also the new print dialog. So, this is pretty much it for the latest and biggest Windows 11 25H2 for the month of February 2026. As I said, this is a feature update. I think it's pretty safe to install, so I would install it because it fixes quite a few issues inside the operating system. Of course, for additional information, you can check out the official Microsoft blog post. That's all, guys. If this video helpful, hit like and share and subscribe for more.